All right, here we are. 25 is done. Okay, so that was hard. All right, so what 25 is doing is it's saying, it's messing with your head. It's saying x plus 4 and x minus 4. A lot of times kids are going to cross those out because of the x's or because of the 4's, right? But they are different. You can't cross those out. They're different, okay? Because this is plus and this is minus, and these are the same, so those are different. The x minus 3 and the 2x minus 1, well, nothing comes out of those. You can't break them down at all, so you're done. That's it. Easy. Okay? Next. This next one, okay, well, we got to put things together. So we have to remember that this x has a 1 on it. Okay? So we're going to take this 2 plus this 1, and we're going to take, let's use different colors just for giggles. Alright. And we're going to add this 1 to that 5. Does that make sense? Because when you multiply powers that have the same base, you add the exponents. Remember our logarithms? Okay? That's why I always wondered, why are they doing this after logs? That's why I taught it to you in chapter 3. So that your logarithms would be better. Okay? Alright, so, anywho, we have 3 times x to the 3rd, right? And y to the 6th. Is that right? All over, well, what's 4 times 6? 24, right? So remember, these multiply, right? But these ones add because they're exponents. They are multiplying, but their exponents are adding. So if you had 2 to the 2nd, which is 4, right? And then 8, which is 2 to the 3rd, this is at 8, by the way, but if you had 8, then that would be 2 to the 2nd times 2 to the 3rd, which would be 2 to the 5th. Does that make sense? And 2 to the 5th is 32. And 4 times 8 is 32. See how that works? Math. It's a wonderful thing. Okay? So, I have 1 and 4, that makes 5. And I have just one y, so that's it. Right? So we just collect everything together. Right? And then we start doing the subtraction. Big from the little. Now here I can go, okay, what goes into 3 and 24? 3? How many times? 1 and 8. Good. So I don't really need the 1 unless nothing's left up there, so maybe I'll put it there just in case. Okay, next. Which one wins, 5 or 3? Which one's bigger? 5. So when we divide, what do we do to the exponents? Subtract. Remember? The logarithms, right? Subtraction is division. Division is subtraction, right? So we're dividing, we subtract. What's 3 from 5?
2.
And we keep it where the bigger one is. Okay? So which one's bigger? 1 or 6? 6. So we keep it where the bigger one is. 1 from 6 leaves 5. And now I don't need that little 1 over there, so I'm good to go. And that is your answer to 24. It's really easy. But it's very hard if you don't know what to do. Right? Okay, we're not done. Come on, people.
Yeah, we still got 2 minutes. Like 30 seconds.
We got 30. Oh, I can do this in 30 seconds. Okay, ready?
Easy, Dan.
I can't.
Let's do this. Okay, 4x and 4x minus. What multiplies to be 100, right? But it adds to be 20. Multiplies to be 100, adds to be 20.
10 and 10.
10 times 10. Holy cats. There you go. We're going to pull this x out. We got x times x minus 4. Oh, remember, we're taking out a 4, which is 2, and 2, which is 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5, and x minus 4, and then we're going to pull out a 3, and I've got x and 4, and so we've got x minus 4 and 3, and then we got 2x minus 5, and what's in common? Well, the 2x minus 5 and the 4, and so we got 3 times 2x minus 5 all over x. We're good to go. There it is.